go to the first day of school.
Yeah, I just think I might just stay home. No, you have to come. I don't want to be the only gentleman.
Did he just say he was gentle?
Hi, everyone. Where are the beds?
I think I'm in the wrong room. You guys forgot to go to school shopping. But of course, I remembered. I can't believe none of you bought school supplies. I was shopping yesterday all day. Oh, I guess you got the ones from school.
There's no way there's way too many people in here. Did you know I'm claustrophobic? I need to go to bed. Can I believe they didn't have any bed in there? The classroom. I had to search the whole school. I only found one in the nurses.
I had the best school supplies there. A bendable ruler, mechanical pencil, and glittery notebooks. Do people not know about the mall? I should make brochures to hand out. How frightening is everybody here?
I was so squished that I threw up in front of someone. Then I got sent to the principal's office. But